Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gagana V from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, who's currently pursuing CSE in data science. Today, I'm here to present on a topic called as patentability and process of patenting. First, let's understand what is patentability. What is patentability? Why do we need patentability? So, in very simple words, it is giving the exclusive right to the inventor. So, suppose you have invented a medical device and then there's chances of others copying your idea. So, before somebody copies your idea and makes it as their own and sells your idea, what you do in order to protect your idea and project is you go to something called as this government granted right called as patent, where you file a patent and you register the complete rights of your project. So, coming to our textbook definition, patent is something a government granted right to exclude others from making, using, selling, or importing an invention for a limited period. Key points grants exclusive right to the owner, means nobody else other than the inventor can gain access to it and claim that it is theirs. And it encourages the innovation and investment. It's very important to encourage innovation and investments as they promote each mind to think more creatively, and it gives the motivation which is required for each person, and it also provides legal protection for the inventors. So, what are the criteria for patentability? First thing, it is novelty. Second, non-obviousness, and then industrial applicability. So, what is novelty? In a very simple word, novelty means something which is new. The invention must be new and not previously disclosed to the public. Matlab, if somebody has already done this project, you cannot gain novelty over it. It would be checked whether somebody has already worked on this project and filed a patent. And then this must not even be disclosed to the public. Because if it is disclosed to public, there are more chances that other person can gain control over it. Then comes the non-obviousness. The invention must not be obvious to a person skilled in art. It should be useful for the society indeed, so that uh, the globe could be a better place for everyone to live. Next, coming to the most important point, that is industrial applicability. The invention must have practical application in industry or other commerce. So only when it has any industrial applicability or any use for the society, it can actually be useful. Coming to the next part, the patenting process. Okay, here are the step-by-step guide. Idea generation and evaluation. First, there must be an idea for us to file a patent. In that, we identify innovative ideas, conduct preliminary patentability search. First, you identify an idea. So basically, our society is facing problem in certain sector, and then you identify the problem, and then the most important thing, what you're supposed to do is conduct a research. In simple word, we can also tell it as literature survey in order to see that in order to get to know depth about it and also see through that nobody else has filed a patent regarding it. And then patent application preparation, detailed description of invention. This basically tells what are all the contents which you need to add in the application. So first come detailed description of the invention. Second is claims defining the scope of protection. Then drawings. Like in case of medical devices, you need drawings which explains what your project is in detail. So drawings, if applicable, then abstract summarizing the inventions. And we need abstract which summarizes the invention. Then filing the patent application. Submit the application to relevant patent office, pay the required filing fees. We know that once our application is ready, we need to submit it to certain office, that is so-called the patent office. And then, as usual, everything requires a bit of money for all the processing and etc. So you need to also pay a required fee structure. And then What next happens is patent examination. The officer just examines your patent application, checks through that everything is new, you have not copied from anyone, all those. The patent examiner reviews the application for patentability, may require may request additional information or clarification. Obviously, there would be many questions in the mind of the patent examiner as well. So even they would come and request additional information, which is very necessary that you provide them with the required additional information or clarification, may issue office actions. And then next, patent grant or refusal. If the application is approved, a patent might be granted. So if the application is approved, a patent is granted. If the application is rejected, the applicant may appeal or file a new application after doing the necessary changes. Heading over to the next one, patent attorneys and agenda role assist in navigating the complex patenting process, benefits expertise in patent law, experience in drafting a patent application, knowledge of patent office procedure, representing during patent examination and appeals. So all these do play a very important role, which includes drafting a patent application. There are specific format and the necessary keywords which needs to be mentioned during the patent application. And it also requires knowledge of patent office procedure. They may include different kinds of office procedures. I just told that you need to go file your application in the patent office, but this too includes a variety of procedure which needs to be followed. Then representation during patent examination and appeals. There are certain things which you need to present during the examination, which needs to be taken care of. Now coming to the international patenting, international patent treaties. Patent Cooperation Treaty, European Patent Convention, advantages of international patenting. Why do we need this international patenting? National patenting is more than enough, is what we feel. So let's see what are the benefits of international patenting. Protection in multiple countries, not only in India, you would get protection to your idea and invention throughout the country throughout the throughout the globe, and then streamlined filing process, and then potential cost savings. Maintaining a patent. Annual maintenance fee must be paid to keep the patent in force. So it's not like once you file a patent, you can just leave it. No, there must be some amount of fee which needs to be paid in order to keep the patent in force. Patent enforcement, legal action to protect patent rights. There must be certain legal action which needs to be followed in order to protect the patent right. Licensing the agreement to generate revenue. There are also certain agreements which needs to be licensed. Now coming to the conclusion. So what are the key takeaways that we understood by patenting and its process? Understanding patentability criteria is crucial in order just it's not like once you've okay, I have invented something, let me file a patent. No, it does include a lot of procedure. It's very necessary that you learn the procedure, speak to our expertise, consult an expertise, and it's very good if you do it under a mentorship. If you're a college student, you can seek help from your professors who are expertised in this. They'll surely help you out. The patenting process can be complex. Yes, as I've told you, it includes a various steps, numerous steps which needs to be followed. So therefore, it requires the help from certain other people, and make sure you do give them the required acknowledgement. Then seeking professionals' help is often beneficial. Like I told you, you can seek for the help of your professors. International patenting can provide global protection, as I told you earlier, and then maintaining a patent requires an ongoing effort. Yes. It is not like once I file a patent over. No, there is a need to maintain it so that it cannot be copied by anyone else. Hope you like this presentation. Hope the video was very informative for you. If you did like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you.